Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Today we will learn how to animate text with dynamic long shadows in After Effects. To start, we will apply a basic text animation. First, select the text, then go to Effects and Presets and click on Text. Choose Animate In from the options and select Slide Up by Character. Great. Now we select the text layer and duplicate it with Ctrl D. For the shadow animation to work correctly, we need to pre-compose it. To do this, right-click, select Pre-compose, give it a name and click OK. Then we apply the Blur and Sharpen effect, Radial Blur, and configure it with the values you see on the screen. At the end of the tutorial, I'll show you how we can easily change the length and direction of the shadow. Now, to give more contrast to our shadow, we apply the Levels effect. The idea is to place the alpha input black at the beginning of the histogram, right next to alpha input black. To do this, we just need to select the alpha channel and set the value of alpha input white to 1. Great. Now let's apply the fill effect to color the shadow to our liking. Let's take a look. Finally, if we want to modify the length and direction of the shadow, we just need to adjust the values of the CC Radial Blur effect. If we want to change the length, we modify the amount value. If we want to change the direction of the shadow, we modify the center value. And there you have it. Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.